Raindrops tap the rooftop slow, a steady rhythm soft and low. Cold air hums against the walls as the busy world dissolves. Streetlights blur in silver lines, time loosens up, releases time. Every sound begins to fade, only rain is left to stay. Raindrops falling one by one, cooling down the restless sun. Every drop knows where to land, like a gentle open hand. I don't rush, I don't pretend, I let the rain bring quiet in. Windows breathe with gentle cold, stories soften, worries fold. The roof listens calm and wide as the rain begins to sigh. Puddles shimmer, break then sleep, promises the night will keep. Every thought slows down its pace, washed away without a trace. Raindrops falling one by one, cooling down the restless sun. Every drop knows where to land, like a gentle open hand. I don't rush, I don't pretend, I let the rain bring quiet in. If the chill runs through my skin, I let the calm settle in. The rain reminds me how to be soft with time and soft with me. Raindrops falling one by one, cooling down the restless sun. Every drop knows where to land, like a gentle open hand. I don't rush, I don't pretend, I let the rain bring